guys, it's Hannah and Julia, your two head students, and we're here just to show you basically how to use Teams.
Yeah, so we're going to show you how to do it on a mobile phone and on a laptop. So we'll get straight into it.
Hope it makes sense.
So when downloading it on a phone, if you go into the App Store or the Google Play Store and then just type in Microsoft Teams, the icon will look like that. And then if you just download it, when you're logging on, it'll ask you to use your school email. So if you don't know that, just ask one of your teachers and they should be able to give it to you. Once you get onto it, it'll show you your Teams, and if you click on the bottom, you can find your calendar and files. On your calendar, it'll come up with meetings that you can join when your teachers have put them on. Once you're joining a meeting, this is what it'll look like. You can turn your camera on and off using the control at the bottom, same with your microphone. So if you have recorded a lesson, if your teacher's recorded a lesson, you want to watch it again, if you just click on the channel, it'll come up with all your recorded meetings. There's also areas in each channel where you have files, and then these files will show you any work that your teachers have uploaded, and then there's also the more section for if you can't find it in files.
So now I'm going to show you how to do it on a desktop or a laptop. So first of all, you type into Google search, Microsoft Teams, click onto that, and then it should bring you to this. So either sign up or sign in, I'm not sure, whatever you haven't done yet. And then it should take you, type in your school email, and then it should bring you to something like this. So this would be your home page. You've got all your files, your calendar and everything down this side. And then it'll show you all your classes as well. So this is the calendar, and then when you have a lesson, you click join, obviously. And that's when your teacher is live with you and your peers as well. And then once you join, you can have the option, as Julia said, to either have the camera on or off, and then your mute or voice on or off. So if teachers are obviously asking you questions, you put your voice thing on, and then that's what it looks like when you are on a chat with them. Okay, so I hope all of that made sense, and
yeah, if you've got any other questions, feel free to go and ask the IT team or any of your teachers, they might know that, yeah, or you can probably look it up online.
So yeah, thanks, bye.